So we have discussed what is average power of a random process, or we have obtained of a random process, or we are obtaining what is the relation between power and power spectral density function. This also we have discussed in the last class. Okay. So how do we find out average power? The average power we denote it as Pxx of Pxx is the average power. It is nothing but expected value of, that is time average of expected value of x square of t. This is the formula to find out average power. Okay. Now what is this formula? It is time average. What is time average formula? Limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t, integral minus t to plus t. What is the function here? Write the function dt. This is the formula to find out average power. Okay. So we have two formulas. This is one of the formula. The other formula is that average power can also be obtained from autocorrelation function when tau is equal to 0. If you substitute tau is equal to 0, we can obtain average power of the random process. Okay. So we have discussed that what is autocorrelation function Rxx of tau? Rxx of tau is inverse Fourier transform of PSD. It is inverse Fourier transform of power spectral density function. So what is the formula? It is 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega e power j omega tau d tau. Is the formula. Now substitute tau is equal to 0 in this equation. Sorry, the omega here. Substitute tau is equal to 0 in this equation. If you substitute tau is equal to 0, then what is the average power is given as 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega d omega. So like this, we can obtain average power by using two equations. The first equation is Pxx is equal to what? Time average of expected value of x square of t. Okay. So what is the formula? Limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to plus t expected value of x square of t dt. So this is one formula to find out average power of the random process. The other formula to find out average power of a random process is that Pxx is equal to Rxx of tau, that is autocorrelation function when tau is equal to 0. So it is given as 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity Sxx of omega d omega. So this relation gives us the relation between power of a random process and power spectral density function.